À, thảo kia nó qua lấy. Đây là后尾一站啊，后尾，好啊，这后尾，好啊 ，OK， 这头前啊，这内边唔知有换无，我是唔知啦，翕袂到啊，好 ，OK。Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
And we are on the way up. It's raining. Slight drizzle, but the road is wet. And we are in the W202 Mercedes C200. Year model is what?
1995.
1995. And the owner is here, Delson.
Hi.
Delson comes all the way from Muar just to be with us on this drive to Genting for breakfast. So it's what you call a chill drive breakfast run. Now Delson has done quite a bit to this car. He loves this car to bits, and he actually took it apart, and we will show you some photos. Actually, you found the floorboard quite bad, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then he did a total restoration, strip it down totally. So we'll see the photographs in a while.
Yes.
And also he hasn't touched the engine yet, but he has done the interior of the car, plus put in a set of rims, BBS no less, all the way from Japan. So his source of parts is Europe, UK and Japan. So the seats you will see are fabric seats, and they come from another half cut that he bought and cleaned up the stuff and put it into this car. So this car is now in very good trim, and there's some cars coming in the back. We'll let them go. The C200 is not known for its power, so we are actually struggling a bit to go up the hill, and it has 120 horsepower. I would say this car weighs about 1.5 tons. Okay, this was made in 1995, and this is a fuel injection, right?
Yes,
it's fuel injection. Mine is made in 1989. It runs carburetor. Okay, we're up to third gear. And there goes Mervin. That's a 210, right?
Yes.
And everybody is overtaking us. Okay, it's a chill drive, Delson, chill drive.
Yes,
We are chilling, yeah. And that's Michael. And that Focus is also another guy. Forgot his name, but we all met here accidentally in the BHP station. third gear. How new are your tires?
The Stoyer Proxys, they are what?
How old are they?
How old is like 2019, the
Okay.
years on the tires.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they hasn't been driven very much lah.
Yeah, I think like less than
5,000
5,000,
kilometers.
less than.
Okay, so tires are reasonably new, so should be okay for grip. So it's a wet road and a bit misty at the same time. So let's turn on our little lights. Yes. Third gear. Out of 5. Oh, we can overtake a Proton.
At least we overtake something.
Okay, this is a rear wheel drive car. And I think, does this have ASR?
No.
Yeah. No ASR.
This is the first generation without any interference.
Okay, no interference. Zero interference. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it shift down the second by itself. Take it easy.
Oh, a monster behind.
Share the road, baby. Turn off your aircon.
Instant power up.
Let's move in. Not bad, huh? Okay, in the wet you gotta be very, very careful. Don't make any sudden movements. But with this car, if you slow down, got no more power. Ease out. the steering. Don't turn too much. You must take out all your driving skills. Everything must put outside. So this is the first time this Mercedes has ever been up this mountain.
Yes. Since I got this car, first time.
I think the owner also maybe never come up. Owner is from Johor, right?
No, it's uncle from Cheras.
Oh, Cheras, or maybe he has come up before. Okay, road is slippery, downhill. Must be careful. And water across the road. We're in third gear but not going full power. Take the line, use the road. Easy, easy. Yes. Got to be very careful with the steering.
Nice.
And the throttle. Got ABS this car?
Yes.
Got okay, got ABS lah. Up the car is okay, you know.
Yes. The handling actually for me is acceptable.
This corner is a bit dangerous. You can fly off the road. That was fourth gear, and back to third for this one. And yes, we are here. We are here. We made it. All right, man. We had a roundabout. Wow.
First time.
It's time for our teh tarik and roti canai.
Nice, nice.
Well done. Okay, we go down the road, make a U-turn, and come back up. This helps to cool the engine. cool the gearbox, cool the brakes.
Ooh.
Alright guys, that was the hill climb for the Mercedes W202, and we'd like to thank Delson here for letting us have the car. And so in case we have to end the video here, this is it guys. Bye bye.
Bye.